I'm going to share with you about this share button. Share button is used basically this worksheet if you want to share with whom you can share, and so the staff can work upon it, and how to share that data, that also depends. So share with people and groups, so you can share with your complete staff, or you can share with your one person, with if it's with your management, how you're going to share. So control who can share, download, copy, and print this file. This is completely uh, easy and completely in control with the management. What you want to give it to your staff depends. So share with people settings also, like editor can change permission and share. Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, or copy. So it depends on, so if you don't want to give to your people to with whom you are sharing, so you can deselect. So if you don't want, that editor can change permission or share, so you can deselect that also. So that all depends on, say, what you want. So now it's like I'm saying with whom you want to share. So you can put any email ID with whom you want to share. Like if I put it with my another email ID, so we can do it with that also. So you can um, utilize with your staff, and try with your people with whom you want to share. So there also you can learn. If you don't want to share, then it's okay. If you want to send your link, copy a link and send it to someone, then that also can work. Like if you copy this link, copied, and then you paste it over here. Just open another tab. Let's see what happens sharing. Let's paste that link in the URL bar, and you find that your data front end is available over here. That's how you're going to share your front end with anyone you can share. So it depends. I'm saying Google Sheets are completely based upon URL um, based URL based application. So it is very convenient and very useful to do so. And this is how you're going to share with your people with whom you want to share. Other people cannot see, cannot amend, cannot do anything with your data. So it's completely protected. Now there is another thing also, that if you want to protect your sheets, now the protection of sheet is also like if you want to lock your sheet, and you press that I want to lock this sheet, and this is the name of the sheet, locking sheet. You want to select some range to lock, or you want to lock completely this sheet except some cells, like some cell you want to change, but rest is completely locked. So that also possible. Like you choose this one, and then you choose this one, choose this one, choose this one, this one, this one, this one, and you whichever you want to utilize, that you can select. Other will be locked, and you press OK. The ranges are declared, and set permission, who can change, who cannot change. That is, right now it's like it's only you who can change. If you want customize, then you can add the email IDs and give the permission to others also, who can change the permission, who can edit, who cannot edit. So that's all completely about the protection, about the permissions, who can change complete worksheet, or who can change the range. However you want to do, so it is possible. All the way it is possible.